We'll guide you through how to make gradient text in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create visually appealing text designs without using complex or expensive software. First, right-click the Google Chrome icon and open it. Once Chrome is launched, the display will look like this. Direct your attention to the top section of the screen. Tap on the address bar until the blinking cursor appears. Carefully type the Photopea website address. After typing, press the Enter key on your keyboard. Wait a moment for the search bar to fully load. Choose the top website, photopea.com. On the homepage, hit New Project. Select the YouTube template by clicking it. Next, look at the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click on the Text tool in the toolbar menu. Move your mouse to the canvas and left-click. Type your text that you want to create a gradient. Press V to return the cursor. Enlarge your text and adjust it to fit the canvas. Reposition your text to the center of the canvas. Then, go to the Layer section. Right-click on the text layer. Tap the blending button options. Activate the gradient overlay feature. Next, double-click on this color box. The gradient editor will appear. Select the black box below this color box. Change the color to a darker red. Don't forget to click OK to save your changes. Do the same for the white box. Change the color to a darker orange, then click OK. Finally, you have created a gradient text in Photopea. You can also change the gradient color to your liking. To refine the appearance, make sure the text remains clearly visible against the background by adjusting its size and placement if needed. You may experiment with different gradient angles or opacity levels inside the blending settings to achieve a smoother transition between colors. Additionally, check that the selected font style complements the gradient effect for a more professional result. If necessary, return to the gradient editor and tweak each color point carefully. Always confirm your edits by pressing OK before closing the panel. Once satisfied, review your final design on the canvas to ensure everything looks balanced and centered properly.